A very good morning to all the children of class 4. We will be starting with our new lesson, that is chapter number 10, singular and plural nouns. So we all have seen what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns. We have been learning this from our LKG days. That is as one and many. Singular is one and plural is many. So today we will be doing little bit of rules which we have to follow in changing the words from singular to plural, in changing the nouns from singular to plural. So let's begin with the rules. First rule is very easy and very straight. That is, we almost, with all the nouns, we add an S to form the plural. Okay. Now, the second one is, whenever we see words ending with SH, CH, X, Z or S, we add an ES to it. For example, brush becomes brushes, we add an ES to it. Church becomes churches, we add an ES to it. Box becomes boxes, we add an ES to it. Z or S also, whenever we see words ending with Z or with X or with S, we add ES to it. Okay. Next we have nouns which ends with vowel and a Y. For example, key, K-E-Y. E is the vowel and then Y. So E plus Y. Whenever we see vowels ending with Y, we simply add S to it. We simply add S to it. Key. Then I'll tell you, toy, boy. Okay, so O plus Y. We add an S to it. Next is, we have consonant plus Y. We saw vowel plus Y. Now we have consonant plus Y. Consonant is, for example, army, baby, cry. So all cry, R-Y. So R is the consonant and then we have Y. So that Y changes to I and then we add ENS. So cry becomes cries. Baby, B-A-B-Y. B is the consonant and then we have an Y. So B-A-B-Y will change to B-A-B. Y will change to I and then we add ES, that is B-A-B-I-E-S. Okay. Next we have nouns that ends with F or F-E. For example, leaf, thief, all these two words ending with F. So we change that F to V and add ES. Okay, simple. We change that F to V and we add ES. For example, L-E-A-F, leaf, will become L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Okay, thief, T-H-I-E-F, thief will become thieves, T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Okay. Next we have F-E, words changing ending with F-E. For example, knife, life, wife. Okay. So life, L-I-F-E, F-E will change to V-E-S. Lives, knife, F-E, it will change to V-E-S and we say it as knives. Wife will become wives, W-I-V-E-S, L-I-V-E-S. Done. So F and F-E we change to V-E-S whenever we see words change ending with F and F-E. Next is, we add S to the words which ends with O, vowel and O. Vowel and O. For example, bamboo. See, B-A-M-B-O-O. O is the vowel and another O is there at the end. So vowel plus O, we do it as bamboos. B-A-M-B-O-O-S. Okay children, B-A-M-B-O-O-S, bamboos. Next we have nouns that ends with consonant and O. We have seen vowels and O. Now we will see consonant and O. That is, For example, hero, Hero. R is the consonant and then we have an O. So hero will become heroes. That is, we add es to it, not s. We add es to it. So the word will be heroes. Heroes. Simple ens. So what did we see the rules? First, we add s to almost all the nouns when we make it to plural. Then the words ending with sh, ch, x, z or s, we add es to it to make it plural nouns. Then when we see words ending with vowel plus y, key, that is, we add ns to it and it becomes keys. Nouns that end with consonant and y, we saw vowel and y, now it's consonant and y, it changes to ies. Okay. Then f and fe words, that is the words ending with f or fe, it changes to ves. Then the nouns with vowel and o, we only simply add an s to it, and then when we see nouns ending with consonant and o, we simply add an es to it. Okay, so that's all for children today. We will start with the book, page number 3838 in the next video. Before that, I would like you all to go through page 38 and these rules, because these rules will be applied and will come in your exam time. So listen to the video carefully and also read the rules thoroughly. If any trouble in understanding the rules, please let me know. I will explain once more. So that's all for today, children. Have a nice day, everyone.